What does digital marketing success look like when it's effectively measured? Leads and sales are what are commonly thought of, but there are other metrics that we need to consider, including organic traffic to our websites, social media reach, and email and text message open rates and click-through rates. They're all valid goals to aim for and are backed by analytics you can gather over time. As we'll cover in this lesson, there are a number of important metrics to track and guide your digital marketing campaigns for everything from brand awareness to sales and conversion. Depending on your particular business plan and marketing efforts, some metrics may be more important than others. Narrowing down your reporting to include the most relevant key performance indicators, or KPIs, will reflect what digital marketing success looks like for you. Let's go a bit deeper into what's measurable. We all know the periodic table of elements. It's an arrangement of the chemical elements by their atomic number, their configuration of electrons, and their chemical properties. These arrangements show periodic trends by placing elements with similar behavior in the same columns. Insight Venture Partners designed this periodic table of the main B2B digital marketing metrics, which includes the essential elements needed to understand the digital marketing industry. This periodic table of B2B digital marketing metrics can be a helpful and practical guide to creating digital marketing tactics and strategies for both B2B and B2C efforts. The periodic table is divided into 8 groups that helps you better understand each of the marketing disciplines and analyze the results in more detail. These groups are SEO, SEM, email marketing, which includes text marketing, social networking, websites, content marketing, budgets, and free trials and funnel techniques, which can include free downloads. Accountability is a large, if not the largest part of reaching an objective. Whether you have 5 days or 5 months, you must include a concrete time frame. Determining the timing for your marketing campaign objectives will help create a sense of urgency as well as accomplishment. A time frame can also set a parameter for comparison when you run reports for month-over-month or year-over-year progress. For example, let's say your objective is to earn 500,000 impressions on social media and drive 10,000 new visitors to your website. These are two excellent digital marketing success factors. The key to this step is determining a quantifiable result to achieve, the real numbers that could be an educated guess or based on a pattern of growth. Keeping time frame in mind, be sure to determine how long you have to reach this milestone. It can be 1 month or 12 months, depending on the effort behind the campaign. When it comes to creating a data-driven marketing campaign, simply saying expose target audience to brand content isn't enough. Set yourself up for success by providing as much detail as possible. Being specific with details will better prepare you to execute your campaign by serving as a roadmap. Furthermore, it helps you pinpoint what works and what does not when you're ready to measure efficacy. Once you've selected the metrics for your campaign, put together a success measurement template that's easy and provides valuable insight. It's something you can use and modify as necessary with each campaign and can be reused on a campaign-by-campaign, quarterly, biannual, or annual basis. A success template might include things like your initial objectives, an overview of what happened during the campaign, including metrics, things that worked best and what you learned from them, things that didn't work so well and what you learned from those.